Hi everyone, welcome back. On today's lecture, we are going to see how the pH sensor is working in HVAC system. So, an pH sensor which are used in the HVAC application, it is nothing but heating, ventilation and air conditioning. And pH sensor which is used to measure the acidity or alkalinity of liquid like water or some other within a system. Here, an pH sensor which is used to measure and concentration of hydrogen ions in a solution, in a liquid. So here, the measured value is expressed in the scale from 0 to 14. Suppose if the measured value is 7, it indicates it is a neutral. And if it is below 7, it indicates there is an acidity in the liquid. If the value is above 7, it indicates there is an alkalinity in the liquid. So, how the pH sensor is normally working? So, here in pH sensor, it contains two electrodes. One is nothing but pH electrode, another is nothing but reference electrode. So, what is pH electrode? Here, in pH sensor, it contains an pH electrode. It is made up of a special glass, that is nothing but membrane. It is made up of a special glass membrane. So, this membrane which is sensitive to change in hydrogen ion concentration. We are going to measure the alkalinity or acidity in a liquid. Here we are going to measure the concentration of ions in the liquid. So, it is very sensitive, it is too sensitive to the concentration of ions which is present in the liquid. So, once the concentration of hydrogen ions is changing, it generating a small electrical potential according to the concentration of hydrogen ions. So, the pH electrode which produces an electric potential, electric voltage, it is according to the concentration of hydrogen ions in the present liquid. Okay. And the reference electrode. Here, a reference electrode is also called as constant voltage electrode. So here, in this reference electrode, here we are maintaining a constant reference voltage. How we are maintaining a constant reference voltage? Because it which is used to measure the electrical potential. So here we are going to maintaining the constant voltage, so that it is called a reference electrode. Okay, how we are maintaining the voltage is constant? Because of this electrolyte solution. Because of this electrolyte solution, we can able to maintain a constant voltage in the reference electrode. Okay. So the electrolyte is playing a major role to maintaining the constant voltage in the system. And the next one, signal conditioning circuit. So here, in a pH electrode, it creates a small potential, electric potential, electric voltage. So it will be very small. It will be small, like in millivolt. So to make this signal is usable for the measurement and for the controlling purpose, the signal has to be conditioned. The signal has to be amplified, and it will be proceeded for the voltage signal. So in order to measure the given signal, so we have to amplify, we have to gain, we have to increase the gain, we have to increase the power gain of the generated voltage. And so after that, the generated voltage is given into the pH meter, or it may be a controller. Here, an amplified signal is sent to the pH meter. So here, the pH meter, it indicates what is the value. It displays in its screen. So, while a pH controller can use the pH value and it decide what is the decision we have to make. So, we have to adjust the HVAC system based on the set point. So, whether we have to activate the heating, whether we have to activate the cooling, or whether we have to activate the air conditioning. So, based on the input which is received in the controller, it takes a necessary action. So, that is a part of pH meter and controller. And calibration. So an P gauge sensor, it requires periodic calibration in order to ensure the accuracy frequently, so that we have to calibrate the instrument while compare with the standard instrument. So that is a major factor. And so these are the few applications where we are using the P gauge sensor, that is in the water treatment plant, chemical dosage and boiling water, environmental control and so this is the assessment regarding the heating, ventilation and air conditioning system. Okay, so can you say the system is belongs to which method of HVAC system? Okay, just you can see the layout, the schematic diagram of HVAC system and say this is the belongs to which method. Okay, put in the comment section. And these are the reference books for this topic. Thank you.